Hi, my name is David Zekwe, and I'm the founder at Understand. We've built a platform that can provide students with instant feedback on their work that they can respond to and aggregate this feedback into nuanced insights for teachers. Alright, so let's get into it. So from the student's perspective, let's get some feedback on our work. So here is a class that I've created within Understand, and all of these assignments here are actually from a Google Classroom course that we've synced with this classroom in Understand. So in this assignment here is actually an essay I was assigned during my sophomore year. And since I've already submitted this assignment in Google Classroom, I'll actually be able to import it, my work here. Alright, so let's get feedback on it. So this should take around 30 seconds to generate in. Okay, so what's fundamentally different about Understand from the incumbent educational paradigm is that right now, if you're a student with particular strengths and weaknesses, it takes all the way until a major assignment or test is graded and reviewed before you get to find out what these are. And then some level of initiative to then go ahead and address these strengths and weaknesses. But with Understand, you can be shown all your strengths and weaknesses on any assignment and be Socratically guided towards addressing them as early and as frequently as you want, even if you're only halfway through the first draft. So feedback should come in any second now. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, cool. So one thing about Understand, you can actually respond to the feedback that it provides you in case you have any questions about it. So let's say I'm a student and I don't really understand this. I might ask, why? Okay, cool. And then another thing you can do is actually revise your essay and get feedback on the revisions you've made. So I'm going to paste in a revised paragraph. It's a little different. And then I'm going to ask, did I fix this? And then it's going to respond. All right, cool. So let's get into the teacher side of things. So a common practice for teachers is to actually provide students with feedback on major tests and assignments, and then to make note of any recurring issues they notice among their students, and then address them in front of their whole class. But it's really difficult for teachers to do this promptly and only address specific issues with the specific students who struggle with these issues, and even more work to then go ahead and address these issues with them. With Understand, you can be shown all the strengths and weaknesses of all your students on any assignment as these strengths and weaknesses arise. So let's get into it here. So you can also be shown which students have them and where they appear in their work. And this little bar graph here would actually show how many students have the strengths and weakness and how many don't. But it's just pink because I'm the only student in this class currently. And then what's kind of cool is you can actually click on my name to view all my strengths and weaknesses across all my assignments in this class. And then you'll see a similar interface. And then another thing you can do is actually tap on the work to actually view it, and along with some insights on that work. All right, cool. So I just want to make it clear that the goal of Understand is not to replace anyone or what they do, but it's rather to expand what teachers and students are capable of doing. So with all that being said, we believe that Understand is reflective of the right approach to AI in schools. Thank you for watching.